Sound, test mic, sound check. Hello guys, and welcome to another edition of Autodesk Learning 101. My name is Richard, and for today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter by simply selecting all the objects. Okay, very simple way to create a filter. All you have to do is to select the objects and then select an option that I'm going to show you later on for this video. All right, so that is what we are going to do. So for this one, you can open any projects that you want. So in this case, I'm going to use the sample project. So I'll go here, open, and then I'll look for sample files. And then I'll be using here, let's say for example, I'll be using Revit MEP project. I'll be using RME Advanced Sample Project. And then I'm going to select open. Okay, so this is a faster way for you to be able to create a filter. Okay, let me open another 3D view by clicking this icon here. Okay, so for me to be able to see the whole building. All right, so the first way to create a filter, which is what we are not going to do, is you go to the visibility graphic overrides, you go to filters, and then you can see here the default filters. And then if you want to create a new one, so all you have to do is to select edit new. And then after that, from the rule-based filter, you can create a new filter. Okay, so I already have a video of that. Now for this one, I'm going to show you how to use selection filter. Okay, so how to create using selection filters. Okay, so let me just cancel this one and then let's go ahead to do that. All right, so from the word itself, selection. So all you have to do is to select the object that you want to be included to the filter. Okay, so let's say for example, this portion here. So I'm going to click this. So you will see that the system type here is supply air. So what I want to do, this whole connection of the supply system, the supply air system, is I want to be included to the filter supply air system, or whatever is whatever filter that you want. Okay, so you need to select the objects first that you want to be included to filter. So let's say for example this, I want to select the connection. So I'm going to hover my pointer and then I'm going to press tab and then tab again, tab until it highlights the whole model. Okay, you click. So it's now highlighting. Oh, okay, so I'm not going to select all of this. So I only want small portion of the model. So hover, tab, tab, okay, and then click. So this is supply air. So these are the elements that I want to be included to my filter. Now to create a filter, you go to the selection panel and then you will see here save. Okay, so this is the tool that you need to use to create and save this selection for your filter. So all you have to do is to select save selection and then you just name it. Okay, so let's say for example this is my selection filter, select selection filter for my supply, or whatever name that you want, and then just select OK. There you go. So you just created the filter which includes these elements. Now if you want to control that, so let's say for example you want to change that to color blue, or let's say to yellow or magenta or green or whatever color that you want. If you want to control that filter, so this is the right time to go to the visibility graphic overrides. To do that, you can click this tool, visibility graphic overrides, or you can just simply type VV and then you go to filters. Okay, you go to filters and then you select edit new. Just click that. And then if you move your slider down, you will notice you now have a selection filter here. So if you click that, so that's now your filter. Very simple. Okay, so I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to select your OK. And then I'm just going to select your add, click, and then OK. So it's now here. So you can now use this filter to control the elements that are included in this one. So like for example, I want that filter to be colored blue. I want the pattern to be colored blue for the foreground solid fill, and the color, let's say it's blue, then OK. Then I'll just select here OK. That's it. So you just select here OK now, and then you will now see your elements that is included to that filter. Very simple. Okay, let me just turn on the thin lines because it's too thick. It's showing the line weight. So let me just click this. All right. So as you can see, that is an easier way for you to be able to create the filter. So instead of customizing it, okay, so this is another way of creating your filter. So let's say, for example, you want all of this lighting fixture to be placed to one filter. Okay, so you just need to click that, right click, and select all instances that is visible in view. Okay, so now that it's already selected, then you can now go again to select save, and you can save here. Like for example, okay, so all you have to do is to specify the name here. Like for example, that is my selection filter. Again, the name is up to you. So selection filter, so that's my lighting fixtures, and then just select OK. Okay, so now if you want to control that filter, just like what we did here, so all you have to do is to go to visibility graphic overrides, you go to filters, and then you add it, and then that's your selection filter lighting fixture. So just select OK. So let's say you want to change the color of that, or let's say you don't want to change the pattern, but you just want to change the color of the lines. Just click that, and then let's say red. Click OK. There you go. Select OK, and then select OK. All right. You see? So basically, that's how you create a filter using selection filter. Okay, so it's a very short video, but hopefully you learned something from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. So don't forget to like also my other videos aside from this one. And once again, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.